It's a 2019 Audi Q8. If what you need is aggressive good looks, versatility for everyday driving, and high-performance fun, the Q8 has it all in one package. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Take it for a test drive today.